Okay, this is a linear law question, and a lot of students actually ask me about this question. So from this question, actually, you will see two diagrams. So of course, you also need to understand the question. The question actually says that, yeah, diagram 4a actually show the curve for y equals to negative 3x squared plus 5. And diagram 4b will show the straight line the straight line graph will obtains when y equals to negative 3x squared plus 5 is expressed in the linear form y equals to 5x plus c. So basically what you need to understand at the beginning is actually this straight line is formed by the curve here. So what you need to understand is how how can you actually like change the y equals to 3 negative 3x squared plus 5 into the form y equals to 5x plus c. So I will write it down. So maybe like y equals to negative 3x squared plus 5. Now I want to change into the y equals to 5x plus c. Okay, and from here you can get some idea. Is this is linear law. We always know linear law, we will have something like y will equals to mx plus c. That means beside the x, this is the gradient. So in this case, my gradient will be 5. Alright, and you will have another information which is c. You can, from this straight line, you can understand that actually your c is negative 3. So that means your c over here will be negative 3. So yeah, so what I understand from here is later I will change my c into negative 3. So for my first equation, I mean the curve equation here, I actually see I have negative 3 over here. And I will see I have 5 over here as well. So what I will do first is I trying to make negative 3 as a constant value. When I say I make negative 3 as a constant value, it means that I do not want to have any x or y beside the negative 3. So what I will try to do here is, my first idea is maybe I can divide the x squared for every single one. Because after I divided x squared, the negative 3 will become the constant itself. So you just imagine x squared and x squared, I can simplify. So I left negative 3 over here. So what I will do next is, since I divide already, this is y over x squared equals to negative 3 plus 5 over x squared. Or I can say this is 5 multiple 1 over x squared. They are the same thing. So if you can get the equation like this, I think you roughly will know the answer already, because you can find out that your gradient need to be 5, and you have the gradient which is 5, and your vertical intercept need to be negative 3, and you have your vertical intercept which is negative 3. So you just need to rearrange the whole equation, which is I would say this is y over x squared equals to 5 multiple 1 over x squared minus 3. So this one basically is my linear form equation. So I know this one is my capital Y. I mean the whole thing here, this is my capital Y. Let me use other color maybe. Okay, that means this one is my capital Y, and this one is my capital X. And then I will try to see what the question wants. Express x and y in terms of x or y. That means they want you to express. So what I will do at the end is I will write like this. Maybe I do it here. I will say y equals to y over x squared. Done. The first one. And then I will say x will equals to 1 over x squared. This is what question 1. Question 1 you to express basically capital Y in terms of the small y and small x. And also the question 1 you to express the capital X in terms of small y or small x, but in this case we only have x. I mean we only have x, we do not have y in the equation here. So the only difficult part about this question is you have to understand what is the meaning when the question actually gives you two equations here. And yeah, you have to understand the basic concept of linear law also, because now normally my first idea is when the vertical intercept is -3, I was trying to solve -3, because even 5 is the gradient here, you do not know what you should put for your x. So I will just ignore the 5 here. I will start doing from -3, because -3 give me a very important information, which is if I can make the -3 become the constant value, basically I can easily get the whole equation. Alright, so this is the basic idea about how to solve this linear law question. Yeah, I hope you know. Yeah, I hope you can learn something in this video. Yeah, thanks for watching.